So guys, it's all happening because of your internet connections between your router to your PC and to your gaming server. So in part 1 I just explained and show that how you can fix between your PC to router connection, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Val 43 error between your Valorant to your PC. I mean the Valorant server to your PC connection. So it's pretty simple. Just watch till end and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Now simply open the C drive first and then go into the user settings, and of course the user account. In my case I'm using the Austin X, that's my nickname. So might be you are using some different. Anyways, just open the uh, username, and then here you need to find the app data folder. Now it's not available, so you can open in both ways, just slash type app data or just show the hidden files, and then you need to find here the Valorant and then save. And now these are the folders actually. These folders have your configurations, the IP address, the connections, etc, etc. So you can just delete these in these folders. It will solve your problem 100%. But make sure if you are deleting these folders, then definitely you need to log in your account. I mean relog in your accounts, because after deleting this your login account has been now removed, so you need to relog in. That's it. I hope your problem will solve 100%. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.